finally. It's been a real tough day. Water clarity has been terrible. I thought I saw some reds moving. We finally got one. This is on the spinnerbait. I don't know if it'll keep, but finally some action. What a gorgeous fish. He hammered it as soon as I cast it in there too. Come on. Open up. Not a very pretty or big one, but a pretty one. Look at all those spots. What a nice fish. He's coming back though. See you, buddy. All right, here's what I threw to catch that last one. 1/4 ounce jig head with a grub that's now pretty torn up, and a Colorado blade there. Like I said, the water's pretty stained, so I was hoping you need something that'll stand out. Got a good one on here. This will probably keep, I'd imagine. Hammered it right off that grass point. Ooh. And I mean, he hammered it. Well, it's about the same size. He's got some weight to him though. Come on now. There we go. I'll put them in the cooler. second one of the day. It's been a struggle, to say the least. Well, that's gonna be it for today. Not a terrible day, considering I got skunked here last time, but wish there would have been a little more action. Seemed like the water clarity had something to do with it. I was also getting pushed around quite a bit by the wind, but one in the box, 2 in the boat. I'll take it. My arms are really tired. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you next time.